not fully in focus. Hi guys, it's Oscar here. We're gonna have to hold the camera still. Hiya.
Hello.
Alright. You alright?
You know that is the private property.
No, taking pictures.
Why? Why here?
Abandoned place.
It's not abandoned place.
Derelict.
Who say that it's abandoned place?
It's on the internet. We can leave. There's no problem.
I don't care about the internet.
That's fine. We'll leave. There's no problem.
Yes, just leave.
There's no need to. We're not here to cause any trouble or anything. We're just here to take pictures. We'll leave now.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's Oscar here. Today we're going to an abandoned mortuary in Surrey. I'm here with Jamie and Ollie, and we're literally just quickly having a cigarette before we go in. He's actually just said yo on the first video of mine that he's appeared on. No Harry again today because he's working, but you know, duty calls. So oh my god. Water flimsy. Holy shit. Right, come on. Crash through.
What way? This straight on.
Follow Ollie.
Gone.
Oh, dude.
Shit. Look at that. Look at the glass.
They're the old operating beds.
Don't touch it.
Right, come on, can we... Oh, it's flooded in here.
Where do you want to go?
I reckon we should go back through there.
Go through the door.
After you guys.
Look at all the wheelchairs.
Oh, just bash me over the bloody shit. That's alright. Fuse boxes. Electricals.
It's all really wet and muddy here.
It's alright. Just watch.
These aren't good for nights, is it?
These are all
My
the
mummy
body...
was in here.
Huh?
My mummy was in here.
These are all the body figures. Loads and loads of body figures.
So let's keep going. Shit me up. Fucking hell.
What?
That face on that wall.
Come on, keep going guys.
Look over to the right. Look over to the right.
Guys, come on. Keep moving.
What way do you want to go?
This way.
That way.
Straight on. Oh, this is creepy.
It is.
Someone's left a tap running in there.
Look at this sign. What? Get out, I'm shagging.
Just saying, Sainsbury's.
Cool.
Cockpit, wank curtain, fuckered up.
Right, come on, this way.
Do you want to go to the water?
No, we can't go in there, it's flooded. Back this way, guys.
Yeah, that's still on. So,
And bearing in mind, there's electrical, so we have to be careful.
you want to be careful. Just mind moving wires and water.
This is just another body storage room, I think.
I died in here. I really.
There's a bike, you know.
Lewis and Stuart and Callum.
Alright, come on.
Mummy's Bay.
Suck them off.
Keep going.
No, I don't want to go in there.
No?
No.
Too much water and stuff. Right, let's go back through that way then. Don't touch the shoes. Alright, go on, step through.
That's me out, man. Just check for what.
Well, to be fair, it's pretty flooded in here. So I don't think we can go too far in, because electricals. But, I mean, from what we've seen, it's quite cool. I mean, there are actual beds that they cut bodies open on, dude.
Yeah.
You try to get a bit closer.
Don't touch the water.
Can we have lights on the beds, guys? Okay guys, so we're in the abandoned mortuary. It's quite small and we can't really go too far into it because there's a lot of water and electrical wires like lying in the water and stuff. But from what we've seen, it's actually pretty cool. I mean, there's beds full of bodies and shit, body fridges, all sorts. It's pretty amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. Let's see if we can get some pictures now. Okay guys, so we've just been in the mortuary, we've got some pictures, we've had a good look around as much as we could without electrocuting ourselves or getting soaked in old manky mortuary water. It's quite a cool find, first ever mortuary, seen all the body operating beds, it's pretty cool to be honest. Jamie's first time explore, did you like it?
It was decent, yeah.
There we go. Next week Harry should be back with us, so I hope you've enjoyed the video, give us a like and a subscribe.
Friday night, I'm wasted by the black and red. I'm all about you, babe.